Camelia and I'm feeling very awkward right now talking to camera. Well, that's because this is my first video. Well, people usually start their first video by telling about themselves, but I suck at introduction, so I just skipped it. So I thought maybe I'll just start by sharing something useful. Like as I started this new, so I thought it'd be cool enough to share what to do when you want to start something new. So let's begin. First step while doing it is when you're planning something, so many thoughts you have in your mind, like I need to do this, I need to do that, jumble up and everything, blah blah blah. First step is to organize them, everything one by one, everything, organize them nicely. Now second is when you have organized everything in your head, you go with there might be some steps you might forget or things like that, so you might want to jot them down in a notebook or in your cell, whatever. When you have jotted them down, there must be somewhere where you kind of don't exactly know what to do, or no, you just think that mine is not better, I need to do something more about it, so you do research on the thing, or get inspiration like by seeing other stuff that are related to this, anything like that. Know more about it. Okay, now when you have done all this, you have got a clear picture in your mind of the things you want to do, every details of it. Make a picture in your mind, exactly, you're satisfied with it, everything, and you start working for it. Then now while working for it, you might start overthinking. That's a major problem. Don't overthink, because all negative thoughts come to your mind when you start overthinking, like I might not do this, I can't do this, I'm not good, whatever. Don't overthink, just don't overthink. Go with Just don't overthink. And when you realize that you're starting overthinking, just stop it. Just don't think about it, do something else, like distract yourself, listen to music, watch TV, go out, whatever. Another point is, like, while you're working with your thing, whatever it is, you might tend to first time you do, you might not be satisfied, or you might fail even. Like you might not satisfied with the image that you have made in your head or what you have to do. But don't give up, don't feel bad about it. That's the thing. Practice more. The more you practice, the more you be better with it. The more you do it, more you be good with it. Until and never do it until and unless your work is matching the one you have imagined in your head. Just go on doing it. And one more tip is that don't put much expectations in your work. Like you might be like, what? I know. Don't put much expectations in your work, because the first time you put expectations, it might not work out to your level of expectations, and you might not feel bad, feel down, negative. So when you put no expectation or little expectations with it, you tend to achieve little bit, and you feel happy about it. That's what, no expectations about it. And yeah, these are the points. These are the only points to things to keep in mind while doing something, I guess. Well, these can be used in many stuffs, like even if you are working in a school project, or making a website, anything. And I hope it helped you, so you can give a thumbs up it was useful in any way, or subscribe to my channel, because I'll be making more videos, like just talking about random stuff, current trends, abstract things, anything. So bye.